Healthline.com reports 7 tips to get into ketosis. Ketosis is a normal metabolic process that provides several health benefits. During ketosis, your body converts fats into compounds known as ketones and begins using them as its main source of energy. Studies have found that diets that promote ketosis are highly beneficial for weight loss due in part of their appetite-suppressing effects. Here are 7 effective tips to get into ketosis. Minimize your carbs consumption. Eating a very low-carb diet is by far the most important factor in achieving ketosis. Number 2, include coconut oil in your diet. Eating coconut oil can help you get into ketosis. It contains fats called medium-chain triglycerides. Number 3, ramp up your physical activity. A growing number of studies have found that being in ketosis may be beneficial for some types of athletic performance, including endurance exercise. Number 4, increase your healthy fat intake. Consuming plenty of healthy fat can boost your ketone levels and help you reach ketosis. Number 5, try a short fast or a fat fast. Another way to get into ketosis is to go without eating for several hours. In fact, many people go into a mild ketosis between dinner and breakfast. Number 6, maintain an adequate protein intake. Achieving ketosis requires a protein intake that is adequate but not excessive. Number 7, test ketone levels and adjust your diet as needed. Like many things in nutrition, achieving and maintaining a state of ketosis is highly individualized. Therefore, it can be helpful to test your ketone levels to ensure you are achieving your goals. The 3 types of ketones are acetone beta and acetocurate. Can be measured in your breath, blood, or urine.